Hi friends, welcome to IAS in College Connect YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is ngIf. In previous video sessions, we discussed about ng for. In this sessions, we are going to discuss about ngIf. ngIf is used to check the conditions. It is what like same if conditions what we saw in Java or Python or PHP. It's going to check the condition. If the condition is get satisfied, it is going to print the below values, or else it is going to print the values which is mentioned on the ng template. Let's see how to implement ngIf in this video. Now, what is the syntax of using ngIf? The syntax is div star ng if, and here you see we are going to write the condition or else part. This is the syntax for writing ngIf. Let's implement some concepts based on that. So here is we having one object student, and we are having all the variables relevant to the student information and the subject. Here we are going to create one more variable, one more properties, that is student backlogs. If student is having any backlogs or not. Okay. So here you see we are going to set this value as no. Okay. So now you see we are going to write a condition for this. In case if the student backlog is going to be yes, means we are going to mention it on the red color that that you're having the backlogs. In case if the student is having no, means so we'll be going to print there is a no backlog subjects. Okay, so here we are going to write the conditions. For that we are going to take the property value, that is student backlog, that is a property value, right? Okay, so then I'm going to check it on here, that is in the ngIf. Okay, so we are going to pull the object name first. Okay, so in that object we are going to pull the property which is going to be backlogs. Here we are having values for this is no, right? What is the value? It is no, right? In case if the student is no backlogs, means we are going to print there is no arrears. Okay, or else I'm just going to be mentioned that so in the else part there is a arrears. Okay, so here we are going to write in paragraph tag. In the paragraph tag I'm just going to mention no backlog subjects, backlog subjects here. Or else we want to write the else part, right? Okay, so in case the student is having the arrear, means we need to write the backlogs else part, right? For that I'm just going to use ng template. ng template. Inside this ng template I'm going to mention the else part for this. Okay, so copy this else part and I'm going to mention it on here, hash the part, else part. Okay, so here you see I'm going to mention that in the paragraph tag I'm going to mention there is a you or you are having backlogs subject. Okay, so for your understanding, so this one I'm going to print it on green color. Okay, so style, I'm just going to use a style tag on here, style. Here I'm just going to mention the color which is going to be a green color. Okay, so star 123, and I'm going to choose the color which is going to be green color, or else I'm going to print this text in red color, color hash 123, red color. Okay. Save this. I'm moving to this browser. Here you see you are having backlog subject. Okay, so why? Because it's going to print no ngIf if no. So what value we are saying? Backlog s means as save all. Okay, so I think then only we are going to get the right. Yes, here you see we are getting the right report. Okay, so now I'm just changing the operator and check it. I hope we are not saved the file properly because we are getting the wrong out. Yes, we are getting the right output. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the values here from no to yes. So let's check. Here see, we are getting the updater. You are having the backlog subject because here we are getting the setting the property for this subject backlog as yes. Let's see how this flow is going to be executed. Here, I'm just copying this. Copy this property too. Done. Okay, so now you see how the execution flow is going to be happen means. So here we are having the property which is going to be student, right? Okay, so which is going to be student. In this, we are going to pick this particular variable which is having the value yes or no. So so what is the syntax of ngIf? Star ngIf. So conditions else and then else part. Here we are going to access this value so that I'm just pulling the student object and then from that we are going to pull the student backlogs. So here we are going to check the values. If the values is yes or no. Here we are having the yes, right? Okay, so then it's going to check is the condition is true? No. So here the student backlog we are having is yes. So, but we are going to have kind of no. Okay, so this condition is not satisfied. So, what we are going to do, it is going to return false. So, in case if it is false means what will be going to happen? It is going to call the values which is present on the else part. Okay, so that it is going to check where the else part is present. The else part is present on here. So, ensure that this div tag is should be closed. Okay, so before you are going to use the else part. So ng template hash else part. Okay, so it's going to execute this statement. So we are getting this. You are having backlog subject. Okay, so that is output where we are getting on here. You are having backlog subject. Hope you understand how the ngIf is working. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and please don't forget to click the bell button and subscribe button. Thank you.